How are you today? Okay, now I will give you 1 minute to finalize your answer. Done? Okay. Just raise your hand if you're done, if your group is done. Okay, then. All good? All done?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have first the first pictures. Let's have from the group 1. What do you think this kind of barriers? What is your answer?
Not paying enough attention to each other.
Can you stand and put what you're answering side of the picture? Okay, from the group 2, what is your answer?
Same, ma'am.
Same. Okay. Later we'll be checking if your answer is correct. Let's hope from the group 2. Can you stand and put your answer inside the picture? Do you have the same answer from the group 1?
Yes.
Okay, later we'll be checking that. Okay, let's have another member from the group 1. What is your answer in this picture? It's okay. Okay, group 2, what is your answer in the third picture? Do you have the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for the last one, let's hope from the group 2.
Struggling to express feelings for
Okay, thank you. So, can you please read all the different communication barriers? First,
Not paying enough attention to each other's needs.
so do you think this is a correct answer?
Yes.
Yes, Micah, what do you think it is correct?
Yes, it is correct because mother is not paying attention to what his or her son trying to share or something to tell because she is focusing only on her cell phones.
Okay, the number 1 you have is correct. So you are going to put 1 point if your answer is right. Okay, next for the second picture, let's have Mia. Your answers, since the 2 groups have the same answer, so let's check if both of you get correct answers.
Using disrespectful or aggressive language. So, the young third child is nagsabi na pa na
understanding the importance of communication, in family relationship. But before that, before we discuss our topic, let's have first our objectives. Vienna, can you please help me? Everyone, please read our objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to explain the importance of communication in family relationships, identify the communication barriers through picture analysis, and recognizing on how much communication matters in family dynamics.
Now, again, what our topic for today?
Understanding the importance of communication in family relationships.
So, why do you think it is very important to have good communication in family relationship? Anyone who wants to answer it? Why it is important to understand the communication of family relationship? Let's have Bobby. You want to answer?
I think we should understand the communication skills so that we can know what should I say or what should we say about our family so that we can communicate each other and we can solve the problem peacefully and mentally.
Yes. So these are the description. Can you please read?
Family relationships are deeply enriched when communication skills is open, honest, and respectful. When it comes to family, having effective communication can make all the difference between a healthy relationship and one that suffers from misunderstanding or lack of trust.
Yes. Mia, can you share with us your own understanding about what you have read?
So, family relationship, based on my understanding, so it is important to communicate, open communication with the family, so that we're able to avoid the conflict.
Yes, it's very important to have a good communication from the relationship. It's because that, like what Mia said, to avoid conflict. So now let's proceed to our next activity. I want you to find your pair or your partner. Find your partner. Because you're going to have a recording about the strategies for improving communication family relationship. So please find a partner. Do you have already a partner?
Yes.
Okay. There are 4 types of strategies to improve communication in family relationship. So the first one is Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do our reporting. So, the first topic is about active listening technique for better communication. Yes, let's have Monica and Sophia. So, before that, please clap your hands for them.
So, the first one is the active listening techniques for better communication. So, me and Mia wrote here that it is very important to really listen very carefully and try to understand and relate yourself to the situation of each member in your family. And also, try to give insights from positive advices and feedback that can ease the negative feeling your family members have. So, in the family setting, it is really important to really know the situation, know the emotion, know the feelings of your family members, so that you can relate and you can give advices, proper advices to lessen the burden of their life.
Okay, thank you for that, Mia and Monica. So, now next is for the group, the second pair.
We are the group two.
Express your feelings and needs. It is important to express your feelings and needs to have understanding with each other. So that you can avoid conflict and misunderstanding within your family. It will strengthen your bonds to each other.
So for the example of that is that yesterday I expressed my feelings to my ate, which is she's in Saudi, and after that, the day after that, my father reached me and talked to me about my feelings about the financial needs, about my schools, it is very important for us to communicate or to express our feelings so that they will help us to solve our problems and to provide our needs and to ease our feelings. So that's all.
Thank you for the pair of Michelle and Gemma. Now let's go from Bobby and Roselle.
Together.
Spending time for each other makes family members more comfortable, share problems, and so that each other bond lighter.
So example is this is a couple or a boyfriend girlfriend. We should also the example is a brother and sister that always quarreling or always not araw-araw. If they stand each other or help each other, they bond as a brother and sister tighter. And when they will grow up, they will become a real family that help each other.
Now let's talk from the last pair from
communication between the family members. Like, keep sila secrets, and then, supposedly sila, so it's better to have a relationship.
Yes, thank you, JV and Micah. Please clap your hands for everyone. You did a good job. So, can anyone summarize all of our topic today? Let's have Micah.
Okay, so to wrap up, so the barriers of
everyone.